Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I like to use Complexion Rescue All Over Luminizer. I'm going to show you what it looks like by itself and underneath the foundation. Remember, it's an all over luminizer because it has that beautiful SPF 20, so you're going to want to put that all over the skin. But I'll show you a little tip in how you can add some touches of luminosity to the tops of the cheeks. All right, let's go. Okay, that's just by itself. How gorgeous is that? Let's go ahead and add foundation on the top. You guessed it, Original Pure Serum Radiant Natural Liquid Foundation. That is with the foundation over top. You can see it has this kind of beautiful glow coming through, but not overpowering. Try this with any foundation over top the luminizer. Let me show you a little tip as well. Take your luminizer, now that you've got it all over the skin, because remember, it's meant for all over. If you want to amplify a little bit more, this is when I would do a teeny bit more over my foundation or on the luminizer by itself, then pop it over top. So it just gives a teeny bit more. Don't forget, you can also mix it in your foundation. Comment below and let me know how you're going to use this product.